What's happening, guys? I don't know if you can tell by the sound of my voice, but I am kind of waterlogged right now. I just got out of the ocean for my morning dip, and I was in there for way longer than I normally am. I think I was swimming around for like 15 minutes plus. So yeah, I apologize if I sound like a waterlogged starfish right now, but dude, I feel great. There's something about the cold, and there's something about the salt, and there is something about the sun that makes me just feel amazing. Like, I come out of the water on days like this and I feel so zen-like, so meditative. And that's how I was. Popping out of the water in my 2-inch swim trunks. Everyone else has these wetsuits on. And I'm walking away, looking around at everything that's going on. And I'm thinking to myself, damn, dude, life is kind of like surfing. There's some days you come out here, you come out to the surf park, and the water is just flat. You could be the best surfer in the world, but if the waves ain't waving, you're not riding. And then other days you come out here, and it is absolute chaos. 10-foot plus, double overhead waves. They're closeouts, which means there's no way you can even surf them, even if you were amazing at surfing. And there's just nothing there for you again. So either a super low or a super high can be bad. But then there's other days like today where it is just perfect. You can catch waves, they're coming regularly, the temperature is nice, there's a nice little offshore breeze, perfect surfing conditions. And that's kind of like life too, man. Some days, things are just going great, and that's one of the days that I'm having today. So I was thinking all these things. I pop out of the water, and I'm making myself a protein shake outside of my house in the back porch of the Kia Soul. And this chick comes up to me and she's like, damn, your setup is pretty cool. Out of the Kia, huh? And I'm showing her the setup. I'm like, yeah, I've been living out of this thing for like 2 years now. And we get talking about just the surf park in general because it's one of our favorite spots to come. It is so vibey here, so chill. And she's been coming here for 8 years. She was definitely older than me, but she was telling me the story of this guy who I see all the time because I asked her. I was like, who's that guy that just wanders around every single day? He does the same exact thing. And she's like, oh, that's Steve. He's the mayor of Tourmaline. And I was laughing because he seems like that. He's just this old 60-something guy, and all he does every single day is park at the surf park, wake up, walk around, smoke a cig or two, and talk to all the surfer babes, hold people's keys while they're surfing, walk their dogs, whatever it is. He's just there for everyone here. He doesn't surf himself, but he likes to watch surfing. He likes to talk about it. It's like his gig. And I was thinking as she was saying this, damn, this guy is really just out here for apparently the past 30 years, just doing what he likes to do, just chilling. I don't exactly know how he has money to do this. I assume he doesn't have a lot of it, but apparently he has enough. And that's what he does. And he seems to be having a good time. He seems to be just riding the metaphorical waves. Because God knows he's not out there in the water. But he seems to be, vibing. And I'm thinking to myself, based on what I said yesterday, that maybe this is kind of like what I have to do. Maybe I need to just be chill like Steve. I need to be like the mayor of Tourmaline. I need to just take things as they come, hope for the best, and just enjoy the process along the way. And I think that's kind of an analogy for all of us that we can use, Some days, the waves are kicking, you're riding them. Some days they're not, you're just sitting in the water. Other days, it's too chaotic to even get in the water. But no matter the case, you can be like Steve. You can just come out here, take a look at it, and say, oh, it's another day. I'm going to enjoy it either way. And that's my message for today. That's what I'm trying to do myself. I'm trying to just have a good time with life and just let go of some of this stress, and especially if it's things that are completely out of my control, like what I was saying yesterday. I may or may not have kids. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Some of that's in my control, some of it's not. And for the most part, all we can do is just hope for the best and enjoy everything along the way. And that's what I'm doing today. Got out of the ocean. I'm having a great day. I hope you guys are too. And I will see you tomorrow.